Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Ford F-250. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.